Welcome to Maths Albertua today. You are highly welcome. I appreciate you. Now, we want to look at this question together. If s cubed or s raised to the power 3 plus y cubed is equal to 27xy, what are you meant to find? Find dy dx. This is a question under a form of differentiation we call implicit differentiation. It's called implicit because it's either it is very difficult to make y the subject of the formula or of the equation or formula, or it's even completely impossible. But if they say y is equal to something, that one you can differentiate straight away. So let's start. We have this. Now, the basic rule for this kind of differentiation, when x and y, when they are not separated, is that anytime you differentiate y, just attach dy dx to the answer. All right, so let's go. If you differentiate this place, if you differentiate it, what happens is that the power will go down. We now have 3x to the power of 3. Can you see that? In differentiation, oh, sorry. 3x to the power of 2. In differentiation, power goes down, then subtract 1. So, 3 has gone down, look at it here, and then after 3 has gone down, you remove 1 from the 3. It's now the power 2 plus a similar thing will happen. So we have 3y raised to the power 2, just as it happened here. But because it's y, you just differentiated, attach dy dx. Alright, so this one I attach dy dx with. Then I go to the other side. The other side I have 27xy. Now, 27xy means, if you look at this place here, xy, you realize that multiplication, in fact, is multiplication that can actually bring two letters of the alphabet we call variables together. That means that there is a hidden multiplication sign there. So see what we are going to do. We are going to say 27. Now, bracket, this time around. Now, listen attentively, please. Because x and y means xy means x times y, we're going to apply product rule of differentiation. How? I have factorized it. I've kept the 27 outside. Now, keep x constant and differentiate y. So x should stand there. If you differentiate y, you're going to get 1. Okay? Alright, if you differentiate y, you're going to get 1. Then, because it is y, attach dy dx. Then plus. You move on. Now, what will happen is that keep y constant and differentiate x. That means y should stand there and then differentiate x. If you differentiate x, you get just 1. Alright. Okay? Now, what we're going to have now is 3x squared plus 3y squared dy dx is equal to 27 into, if you multiply all of this, you just have x dy dx. If you multiply, if you multiply this one, you're going to get this. The next thing to do now is to use this 27 to open up, to clear this bracket. You're going to get 3x squared plus 3y squared dy dx is equal to 27 goes here, you have 27x, then dy dx plus 27 multiplied by this one, you have 27y, 27y. Now, the next thing to do is now to collect like terms. Those things that have dy dx, you bring them to one side. So, either you bring this one to come and meet this one here, or you take this one to come over here, whichever way you want to do it. Just take one of them. You can take this one to come and meet this one here, and then remove this one to come and meet this one, whichever way you want to do it. All right, so probably let's move this one to this side and remove this one to the other side. So if we do that together, we're going to have 3x squared. If you move this one over to this side, or is that what I said? Okay. I said we should move this one over instead. Okay. So we leave this one here and bring this one to this side. So we're going to have minus 27y is equal to, so we move this one to go and meet this one. We now have 27x dy dx minus, this has plus. So when it goes over, it becomes minus. So we have 3y squared, and then we have dy dx. I hope you are following. All right. Now, here we are going to have, they cannot be subtracted actually because they are not alike. But you can actually factorize 3. 3 is common to the two of them. You can say 3 into x squared minus 9y is equal to. Now, here, dy dx is common to the two of them. So you can have it as 27x minus 3y squared in bracket dy dx. Of course, if you use dy dx to open up the bracket, it will carry you back to this place right here. All right. Now, make dy dx, to make dy dx the subject of the formula, we're going to divide. So we're going to divide both sides by 27x minus 3y squared in order to make dy dx the subject of the formula. I hope you are following. All right, so we have 3 into x squared minus 9y divided by 27x, take away 3 y squared is equal to, we have 27x minus 3y squared, like this, we have dy dx, but because we are dividing, we have 27x minus 3y squared. So this one will cancel the whole of this one for you. It means that finally that this is now, so you can bring this one first. You're going to have dy dx is equal to 3 into x squared minus 9y all over 27x, take away 3y. But you can actually factorize 3 here again, so that 3 can help you cancel this one. What I mean is this. You can say 3 into x squared minus 9y this way, all over, if you factorize 3, you are going to have 3 into 9x, take away y squared, something of this nature. You look at it carefully. All right, so that this can cancel this for you. You can apply the idea of, oh no, this one is not squared. So you can leave the answer this way. Now the final answer is that dy dx is actually x squared minus 9y all over 9x minus y squared. All right, so let me give you a similar thing for you to try, and please ensure you try it. Ensure you try it. So this one is for you. Ensure you give it a try.